Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your boy Trey Fragrance, and I'm back with another banger. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like. Let me turn y'all up a little bit, guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on y'all post notifications because I will be posting more content for you guys. So before I get straight into this video, I do want to say I hope y'all out there have an amazing day. Hope y'all out there feeling good, looking good, dressing good, and most importantly of all, smelling good. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Now, I did get another fragrance from the house, another fragrance YouTuber. We got Christopher Lee fragrance. As y'all can see, this the box right here. Then you get the luxury for everyone. So let's get straight into this. Chat. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that bottle. All right, let's get straight into this. Now, as y'all know, I do have another fragrance from Christopher Lee, and this is the Jock. So now we got Wings of Amber. So let's get straight into this. Let's see what we can get out of this fragrance. As y'all know, got to have my test strip. So let's get straight into this. Atomizer, 10 out of 10. You already know. Ooh, hold on. Okay, I'm picking up some blood orange, a little bit of blood orange, and it's like I'm picking up some lemon in there, but it's not like a regular lemon. It's kind of like it's kind of maybe like kind of in that candy category, you know what I mean? Like a candy lemon, something like that. And man, I'm not gonna lie, this fragrance is sexy. It's unique. It's I'm not gonna lie, this fragrance is different, guys. And you kind of get like a vanilla in the backdrop, in the background. I'm kind of getting like a vanilla kind of caramel sundae with this candy lemon that you get in the opening with that blood orange. And man, I gotta tell you right now, just by off the scent, you do get this would definitely be like a great fall and winter scent in my opinion. So this what I would definitely wear for that season, fall and winter. um and it's great. It can be a great date night, great night out, you know what I mean? Especially if you want to turn some heads. This fragrance reminds me of like a attention seeking fragrance, you know what I mean? So, and this scent is beautiful, and it just came in today, guys. It just came in, and it came in today. And as y'all know of the Jock, this one right here, this one you get a musk, sweet, powdery, you know what I mean? It's still good. It's still good, but I'm not gonna lie, if I had to choose which one is better out of the Jock or Wings of Amber, definitely, most likely, they're both amazing. They're both great. They're both, you know what I mean, long lasting with that 50% oil concentration. But I'm gonna have to go with Wings of Amber on this one because man, this scent right here is just is beautiful. It's just beautiful. And like I said, you get that nice, it's soft. You get that nice citrus in there too with it. You know, it's a very unique fragrance. Is definitely unique with that candied lemon, which I never smelled anything like that. I never smelled that note candied lemon. So this is my first time smelling a note like that. And man, I'm not gonna lie, man. Christopher Lee, he don't miss. He does not miss. I'm just going ahead and be honest with you. He don't miss. So if you don't have this scent, guys, go get this Christopher Lee fragrance. This right here is the Wings of Amber. Man, this scent is so beautiful. Trust me, you'll be smelling sexy, addictive, and very invigorating. So if you don't have those scents, guys, go get it. Trust me, there are amazing fragrance. Christopher, shout out to you, man. Hey, you going crazy right now, man. So you definitely 2 for 2 for me. I ain't gonna lie. But this Wings of Amber, go get it. Trust me, man, you will not be disappointed. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification because I will be posting more content for you guys. And it's your boy Trey Fragrance, and I hope y'all out there feeling good, looking good, dressing good, and most importantly of all, smelling good. And I'll see y'all in the next video.